Hello everyone. The previous video was a little bit covered with the pictures, so let me describe about the unseen 19, channel 19 and 20 again. Okay. So in the given figure, O is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle, and X, Y, and MN. Okay, so X, Y, and MN. So if you're talking about X, Y, and MN, so from here the line is drawn up to A, up to A. Okay, so it is extended up to A. Okay, and prove that this XOM. So this XOM, let me draw some lines over here again. So here, so if you draw the line, then this angle, okay, and this angle, if you subtract these two numbers, okay, the angle minus square you are going to get, okay, the double of this number. Okay, so XOM minus this angle YON. If you subtract this number, if you subtract this angle, it is going to be the double of XAM for double function. Okay. Now, so let us write on the given. So let us given, let us write on. So in given, you need to write down as similar to the question itself. So O is the center of the circle, XM and this extended to the source to meet A. Okay, so everything, whatever it is written in the question, the same thing you write down in the given also. And to prove the same thing you write down, prove that means to prove. Okay, prove the one is that you write down. And here, there is no any relation between these two. Okay, so if you see it properly, then so this angle, and this angle, they do not have any relationship. Okay, so that's why. So for that one, so to simplify that one, so we need to do construction. Okay, construction draw the drawing should always be drawn with the help of dotted lines. Okay, if possible to with the help of pencil. So you have a line draw now by your side line draw any side. Okay, so either this side or this side. Jun answer. You're type in okay, so it's go half inches, which is angle at the center. If you are looking at this side, so your extra m border, your center where is extra m border का circumference where is এটা particular circumference. So this angle, so the angle double line got it. Okay, so this angle and this angle, they are half and double. Now if you are talking about this angle, then this angle and this angle at the center, this angle at the circumference, center circumference, that means this is also a relation of half and double. And talking about this angle, so XAM कुनै कुरा भइरहेको छ XAM भनेको डबल हुन्छ भनेर प्रुभ गर्नु भनेछ. सो यो निकाल्नु भनेछ. सो यो तीनटामा चाहिँ के रिलेसन छ छैन, यो तीनटामा त थिएन, 1 2 3 मा त थिएन, यो तीनटामा चाहिँ के छ के रिलेसन एकपल्ट हेरौँ त. So this angle plus this angle, if this is A, if this is B, your triangle पनि छ. Triangle को बाह्रपट्टिको angle what we call it? We call it exterior angle. Okay, so this is A, this is B. Okay, and if it is C, then their sum is going to be equal to C. That means A plus B is going to be equal to C. Theta जोड्यो भने यो बराबर हुन्छ अरे. A plus B equals to C हुन्छ अरे. Correct? So let us go one by one. In this way, we have to prove it. Okay, so whatever it is given in the question. Now after drawing the line, so let us see. Okay, so I've done one by one. Look at the screen over here. So this angle X and M. Okay, so this angle is half of the central angle. It is half of the central angle. Okay, so this angle at the circumference is half of the angle at the center. Okay, so this we can do it. So next one. So let us go to the next triangle as I have mentioned before. So this angle at the center, this angle at the circumference. So circumference to center point के relation छ? So circumference to angle के छ? It is half of angle NOY, that is YON. Okay, so half YON. यसको आधी भनेको के हो? यो circumference angle. That means YXN or NXY. Anything you write it, you can write down. So जुन angle भन्नु आएको छ त्यो चाहिँ बिचमा हुनु पर्यो. NXY भन्दा नि भन्दा YNX. You have to see according to the question के भन्नु खोजेको छ. यो YNXY को कतै मेन्सन गरेछ त्यसले पनि पर्छ. Okay, so यो पनि यो angle at the center, angle at the circumference. यसमा पनि के relation छ? Half के relation छ. So angle at the circumference is half of angle at the circumference. So let us go to the next number then. So here, after that, so I have mentioned you just before also. So what is the relation between this angle, and this angle? So this is the exterior angle. Exterior angle 1, 2. If we add 1 plus 2, it is going to be this angle 3. Correct? So angle this one. What is the name of this one? XAM. XAM. This angle plus NXY. NXY. That is this angle. Okay. And next one XNM. XNM. This angle. So if we add these two angles, then it is going to be this angle. Okay. Why? It is the exterior angle. Okay. Exterior angle होते ही वाला. अनि अर्को हेर्ने अब यता यता छ ट्विस्ट अब XAM XAM भनेको त यहाँ छँदैछ XAM बुझ्यो अब हेर्नु खोज्ने अब टु प्रुफमा अब त्यही अनुसार मिलाउने NXY छ NXY छैन यता होला पक्का NXY यहाँ छ what is the value of NXY half YON यसको ठाउँमा के लेख्ने half YON लेख्ने equals to XNM 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 को ठाउँमा के छ XNM XNM yes XNM को ठाउँमा के लेख्ने half XOM लेख्ने half XOM लेखेछ अब यो हेर्नु त सबै छ कि छैन XOM छ कि छैन XOM छ okay so अर्को YON is there or not YON is also there so XAM is there or not XAM is also there is it okay just we have replaced the value यो extra angle थियो यो number 3 number 2 number 1 बाट so यो लेखेको that's why from statement 1 to n 3 is it okay or not okay so यो statement 3 नै हो तर statement 3 को value चाहिँ we are extending from 1 and 2 x and xy को ठाउँमा के लेख्ने yon x and m को ठाउँमा के लेख्ने so xom half xom लेख्ने half xom now half and half will become so take half as common so when you take half as common then के बाँकी रह्यो भन्दाखेरि so यो प्लस यता जाँदाखेरि के हुन्छ माइनस हुन्छ यो माइनस गरेको ओके सो डाइरेक्टली गरेछ र so half and half will be common so you plus utilize है minus गरेछ है बढिया then half will become so xom minus y यतापट्टि जान्छ so yon okay minus yon गर्ने so half so question हेर्दा फेरि यता half छैन यता 2 चाहिँ छ so यो divide by 2 यता जाँदा के हुन्छ multiply हुन्छ so multiply गर्ने so 2xam equals to xom minus yon okay xom minus yon so in this way we have proved this triangle so this theorem. Is it okay or not? Okay, so hope we have understood it. Let us go to the next theorem, theorem number 20. So unseen theorem number 20. So in the given figure, so PFC, it is already highlighted over here. PABC means this angle. Okay, so BQD means this angle, BQD. Okay, they are equal to each other. Your data angle equals the then prove that this and this they are parallel to each other. Your parallels are proof for you. So to become parallel हुनुको लागि सो तीनटा चीज हुनु पर्यो कि त परपेंडिकुलर हुनु सरी कि त करस्पोंडिंग हुनु पर्यो करस्पोंडिंग छैन अल्टरनेट हुनु पर्यो अल्टरनेट पनि छैन कोइन्टियर एंगल हुनु कोइन्टियर एंगल कसरी प्रुफ गर्ने ओके सो एनी तीनटा चीज कसरी कंस्ट्रक्सन गरे हुन्छ कि जे गरे हुन्छ त्यसरी यो त्यो तीनटा एंगलमा एउटा एंगल हो भनेर प्रुफ गर्ने अदरवाइज दुईटा ट्रायंगल इक्वल हो भनेर प्रुफ गर्ने त ट्रायंगल त कतै पनि छैन त ओके सो दैट्स व्हाई so कि त अल्टरनेट एंगल तरिकाले प्रुफ गर्नु पर्यो कि त करस्पोंडिंग अदरवाइज by the co-triangle method we need to prove them they are equal to each other then only we can say that they are parallel to each other okay so parallel छ भने corresponding co-interior alternate हुन्छ भने alternate corresponding co-interior भयो भने त्यो parallel हुन्छ चाहिँ उल्टो रिलेसन जाने हैन now so let us write on the given so as given in the question okay so to prove गर्नु भने चाहिँ त्यो लेख्ने so construction so let us draw AD let us draw this line AD either you can draw AD this side otherwise you can write down draw BC this side है दुईटामा एउटा ड्रा गर्ने कि त यता छड्के ड्रा गर्ने कि त AD ड्रा गर्ने so either of these two lines you can draw it either this side or this side okay so I have drawn from A to D now let us go to the next slide now what is the relation between this angle and this angle so from same point from A and C this angle is made okay angle at the circumference is made so from the same point next angle at the circumference is made okay so that means this angle and this angle if they are in the butterfly shape I told you okay so if they are in the cross shape then the upper angle or the lower angle they are called inscribed angle so that means are they equal to each other or not they are equal to each other okay they are inscribed angle so APC equals to BQD APC plus BQD sorry so APC plus BQD, this was given in the question itself. Okay, it was given in the question. Sorry for this one. So this and this they are equal to each other. It is given. Okay. Number two. Okay, I was talking about number two. So APC equals to ADC. APC and ADC they are equal to each other. Why? They are inscribed angle. Hmm. The first angle it was given in the question itself. Second, it was inscribed angle. So if you see the third one, then you can see the angle. Okay, so we need to use this angle also. किनभने यो र यो इक्वल छ भनेपछि यो पनि युज गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. So यो एंगलसँग के इक्वल छ त? यसो हेर्ने त. So from B and D यो सर्कमफरेन्स छ नि के B र D बाट अर्को सर्कमफरेन्स छ? यतापट्टि छ. That means this angle. That means this angle and this angle they are going to be equal. Let us see the next clip. So here we can see that this angle and this angle they are equal to each other. Why they are equal? Because they are inscribed angle again. Because from the same point, if they are touching at the inscribed, that means the circumference. Okay, यो गोलोमा छुको छ दुईटा एंगलले भने त्यसलाई भन्छ inscribed angle. Inscribed angle जहिले पनि equal हुन्छ. Okay, they are called inscribed angle. Now, if you see it properly, okay, so APC is there, APC is there. Okay, and यो केसँग इक्वल छ BQD सँग इक्वल छ. That means BQD सँग इक्वल छ. So if यो equals to यो, so ABC भनेको ABD ADC हो भने यसको ठाउँमा यो राख्दिनु नि त. BCD BQD BQD को ठाउँमा यो राख्दिनु नि त. Okay, then what you can say that? So then you can say that these two angles are also equal to each other. If you have not understood, then के गर्ने भने यो x हो भने this also equal to x. Okay, so यो ABC x हो भने यो पनि x हो. It's also x. So BQD पनि x हो नि त. BQD x हो भने यो पनि त x हो नि. सबैको भ्यालु त एउटै रहेछ. If यो पनि x भने यो बराबर. Okay, this also equal to each other. So both these angles they are equal to each other. ये त प्रुभ गर्नुपर्ने छ हैन त. So BAD. Okay, so this BAD, this BAD angle BAD, and next one is ADC. ADC. Let us go to the next clip. So here you can see that now we can say that this angle and this angle they are equal to each other from statement 1, 2 and 3. Okay, one is the यो angle सँग equal छ. Okay, so यो x हो भने यो x हो, यो x हो. So यता पनि x ले यसो त. So यो x थियो हैन. So यो x भनेपछि BQD यो पनि x हो भने यो पनि x नै हुन्छ. So all the values they are equal. That means this angle also equal. This angle and this angle also, both the values they are going to be x. Okay, that's why these two are equal to each other. यो कहाँबाट आयो त? From statement 1, 2 and 3 बाट आयो. Now हेर्नु त यो के साइनमा पर्छ? कुन शेपमा पर्छ? Z शेपमा छ. So Z shape means it is the alternate angle. So they are alternate angle, and if they are alternate angle कुन केसमा हुन्छ? When they are parallel. Okay, so parallel छ भने alternate angle हुन्छ नि, alternate angle छ भने के हुन्छ? Parallel पनि हुन्छ. So यही parallel proof गर्नुपर्छ. Okay, so here it is we have proved that these two angles are equal. Corner angles are equal. So if they are equal, then they are alternate angle. If they are alternate angle, then we can say that they are parallel to each other also. Okay, so let us see this last one. Now we can say that, let me clear this. So here this line, this angle and this angle is equal to each other. If they are equal, then they are parallel to each other. So from where? From statement 4. यो equal भएकोले यो पनि parallel भयो. किन भन्दाखेरि from statement 4 being alternate angle. Okay, so in this way we can prove they are parallel to each other. So both 19 and 20 it was simple theorems. Correct? So see you next time.